I think I know what this throw represents. It represents bird people, information, and a spirit. The bird people are here. They are connected to this bird. The bird's eye is here. This bird does not look happy. The reason why it doesn't look happy is because information about it is not in the dictionaries. The skills and abilities that bird people have often not been documented. When their skills and abilities are not documented, people presume that they never had said skills and abilities. This piece of wood represents a spirit that is watching all of this go on. This book and these feathers represent headgear that is on this bird. And so, yeah.